Just a quick video of what's inside this plug-in electricity usage monitor. It's a simple system which means that you can check to see how much electricity you're using. Now I'm taking it apart to show you what's inside. My next video will show you how it actually works and how you can use it. Now the part I'm pointing out here is the battery. That keeps any data. There you plug in your mains, and at the front are the controls. Now I'm just going to take the LCD out to show you what's inside. On the left hand side and on the right hand side of that PCB was the way it's connected to the LCD. Now I'm just putting it all back in. Make sure it is in correctly, otherwise the LCD won't work properly. And I'm simply going to screw it back in place. So that's just a quick demonstration of what's inside. There's also a reset button at the front. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see how to actually use this particular monitor, then please look at the next video.